Hello, my name is Margie Bryant, and today's live is how to restore your energy and be your best self. I was listening to a really fabulous webinar by Jane Mangini, who's a habits coach, and she gave a great quote of, "Women can do anything, but just not all at once." And I thought that was fabulous to really think about our energy levels and how to restore them and how to give our very best at any one time. And our energy is something that is our chi. Our body, our mind, and our spirit are all involved in how our energy is flowing throughout the day. And it's really, really important to be restoring it, rejuvenating it, and thinking of some simple strategies and tips on how to be your best self all the time. And one simple way is not to do